Hi everyone, good day. In this video, we'll show you how to use the import roster feature in the attendance module. The import roster is mostly used by industries where schedules can change frequently, whether on a daily, weekly, or ad hoc basis. If you prefer to simply upload the schedule that you want staff to follow, this feature makes it easy to do so. Additionally, if employees are assigned to different sites, you can also include their site assignments in the import roster. Let's get started. To use the roster import, go to the attendance roster page. From there, look for the import option. Inside, you'll find the import roster instructions, which explain how to work on the template. The import only accepts Excel files, specifically in XLSX format. Make sure to carefully read the instructions before working on the file, as there are required formats for assigning schedules. The template also provides examples you can follow. You can even update site assignments directly within the import file. Before downloading, select the correct month and year and set the default break time. Then click the Download Template button. Once downloaded, you'll get a copy of the roster file where you can add the schedule and the site assignment. Go ahead and open the file to start working on it. The template includes two tabs, the first for roster scheduling and the second for site assignments. On the first tab, Roster Template, you will add the shifts or schedules that staff will follow. Column A is the employee full name. Column B is the user ID of the employee. Column C is the department. Column D onwards corresponds to the dates of the selected month, and this is where you'll enter the staff schedules. Simply type the start time in 24-hour format, add a dash, and then input the end time of the shift. For example, if you selected October, then the columns will represent October 1st, October 2nd, and so on. This is why it's important to select the correct month before downloading the template. You're not required to fill in the entire month. If you only have schedules for the first 10 days, you can upload just those and leave the rest blank. The system will still accept the file. I will use Ava as the employee in this example. I will add in the full name, username, department, and for this month, she will follow 8:30 to 17:30. This schedule is good for 2 weeks, with Saturday as off day, and Sunday will be rest day. Indicate accordingly here. I'll keep the 2 weeks blank. And here is how the roster template tab should look like. The second tab is the site tab, which works the same way. Column A is the employee full name. Column B is the user ID of the employee. Column C is the department. Column D onwards corresponds to the dates of the selected month, where you will indicate the site each staff member will report to. The site name must match the data set up in the Configuration Site Setup page. Let me quickly show you where to find the list of sites in the system. First, navigate to the Attendance module. Then go to the Configuration menu. On the last tab, called Site Setup, you'll see all the sites you've saved. Make sure the site name matches the one in the template you're working on. Now, let's go back to the template. Using Ava as an example, if the employee reports to different sites daily, enter the site she will be reporting to here. Ensure that the site matches the one listed in the configuration page. This makes it easier to assign employees to different sites or locations without having to do it manually. Once your template is ready, return to the roster import page, drag or drop your file into the designated area, and click Import. If the input fails, a red error message will appear on top of the screen. You can download the error file report, check what caused the issue, update your template, and re-upload it. If the import is successful, a green success message will be displayed. To verify if the data you uploaded has been saved in the system, go to the Manage Roster page. On this page, you'll see that Ava is now following the imported schedule. Weekdays from 8:30 to 17:30, Saturdays tagged as off days, and Sundays tagged as rest days. If you click on any weekday and open the Edit Shift window, you'll be able to see the start time, end time, and site name. This confirms that the staff is now following the site assignment from the template we just uploaded. This is how you can check the data, and that's how you can use the roster import feature in the attendance module. Thank you.